Hey, this is Jade Alpine Companies. We're looking to repair this sunken entryway to this home. It's a brick ranch. Originally just had this poured concrete patio out front, and at one point they opted to enclose it, do a short little brick knee wall. You can see where it's settling and starting to fail. We're going to look at repairing this a few different ways. Pier style, pad and pins, and probably compaction grouting. We get a little farther along, I'll get some more videos. Thanks for watching. This is Jade Alpine Companies.